Howdy, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing our very first harvest of potatoes. These are them right here. As you can tell, it's starting to die back, and it's been about 99 to 100 days since we planted them, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull them just because they're yellow and, well, I want to see what's underneath it. Like I said, this is our first time, so it's very scary to know what's underneath there. I mean, we could get a humongous harvest or we could get nothing. So, we'll see. Okay, which one do you want to do first?
Let's do the one closest to me.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Your straps broke on this one.
Uh-oh.
Hopefully there's so many potatoes in there.
I hope so. That would be nice, wouldn't it?
Okay. Let's see.
Here's the moment of truth.
So far, but we'll see.
You haven't started digging yet.
Yeah.
There'll be some in there.
There's your old potato that you planted.
How can you tell?
Because it's half.
Oh. Now these are the
Russets.
yeah, these are the russets from Costco.
Look at that.
Oh yeah. See there?
There's your corded one. Well. Well. That's it.
No, it's not. No, it's not. Keep digging.
Okay.
Show Ashley what you have so far.
Cute little nugget.
It's a cute little nugget, isn't it?
What's he doing?
I would say. Well, I can't say it was a wash.
That was it for that one.
Alright, well, let's
At least that's what he says.
shoot for number 2.
Maybe this one will be better.
Yeah. Probably because they didn't like the actual grocery bag.
Yeah, that's also true. Is that was an actual grocery bag instead of one of the grow bags.
Which one?
And it was a Costco potato instead of
Yeah,
an
that's
organic potato. So
That is true.
let's see how these
What
go.
are those?
These are the-
These are the actual seed potatoes.
Yeah.
That is true. I forgot about that.
Yeah. Yeah, those are actual potatoes from Costco, so.
Oh, you have potatoes too?
So many roots.
Think
Hmm?
about it. You plant potato and that is the seed.
Yeah.
You know where it came from.
He's got his box ready. He's ready to fill up that box.
There you go.
Here we go.
Well, this one wasn't a seed, but this one's rotted.
Oh, that's too bad.
There's a few little ones.
I love the little potatoes.
Well, looks like we got a few potatoes. They're just all squishy.
I wonder why.
See, like that one too, but it's all rotted.
Yeah.
They had to change the phones because the other one ran out of storage.
Mama's phone normally is out of storage.
Well, that's it for number 2. Should we go for number 3 or should we let the other one grow?
What do you think?
Well, I mean, they flowered and everything. So, I say just let's go for it.
All right, let's go for it then. Sometimes when you go hunting for treasure, you find a really good bounty, and sometimes you don't.
Yep. Mostly the sweet potatoes do good 'cause you like those better anyhow.
Yeah.
Actually, let's do it differently this time.
Okay.
Let's kind of pull these up. Now we got a few little tiny tubers.
There you go. Those
All
count
right.
just as much. Can't make big old baked potatoes with them, but
You
they're
could
just
put
as
'em in a
special.
soup.
That's right.
There we go, there's that big one. Sorry.
Oh my goodness! Look! That is a big one. Is that one mushy?
No, that's clay. There's one.
Here's one.
There's a few little ones. Catch that guy's stem.
This was the first year, and I don't think that's bad at all.
No, I don't think so. That one's for Mr. Holder. Well, that was it.
Well, what you think?
Well, be good soup potatoes.
Yeah.
At least I got something out of it.
Yeah. And we can reuse the soil.
Yeah. Still pretty dark.
Yeah.
Plant carrots or something.
There you go. Would you do it again?
Oh yeah, I'd do it again. Maybe try a different variety of potatoes and just russet because they take longer.
So those do take longer than
Oh yeah.
another
Oh
variety?
yeah, they're an all year potato. But there's our biggest one.
I think it's beautiful.
Mini baked potato holders.
Oh, there we go. The first year. I don't think it's too bad. And you don't ever know until you try.
Yeah. Well guys, it wasn't exactly what I was expecting, but thank the Lord I was able to have the opportunity to do it, and I'll try again next year and hopefully I'll be more successful. I probably didn't wait long enough, and I probably didn't fertilize them right, so that's probably my issue. But anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate everybody who has subscribed and have left a like. It's encouraging to me, and catch you in the next video.